Can the blind swim? Many may wonder how they can. But Father Solomon thought, why can't they also swim like other people? And he organized training programs and finally a swimming competition for them. When they first entered the pool, they were hesitant, a little bit afraid too. But the encouragement of the trainers gave them confidence. When they splashed the water with their hands, they knew they can float in the water. When they could wade forward in the water, their happiness was beyond limits. Father Solomon CMI, who himself is at the verge of losing his eyesight, knows the world of the blind. With the remaining 5% of his sight, he knows well the physical and mental challenges faced by the blind. He realized that he is being called to bring happiness to many who are differently abled. Accepting this as a call within the call to religious life, he went ahead without looking back. He met a good number of people who suffer from similarly diminishing eyesight or total blindness. To begin with, he organized for the visually challenged people the Darshana Club, Vision Club. Today, there are 300 members in the Darshana Club. Darshana Club organizes swimming and cricket training programs. In the first cricket match for the visually challenged players, organized in the Engineering College grounds Thrissur, 4 teams participated. The club organizes regular meetings for the members, in which they can learn and socialize with others. Father Solomon has also taken steps to organize programs for other differently abled people. At present, in the Darshana Club, besides the 300 visually challenged people, there are more than 1,000 deaf and dumb persons, 300 physically challenged persons, and 700 autistic persons. Father Solomon's effort is to give opportunities for the all-round personality development of all members. He conducts 14 skill development programs for them, including art, music and computer courses, literary programs and physical games. In some cases, he gives financial assistance for their studies with the support of others. With the artistically talented people, he has formed some groups for performing arts. Under the auspices of Darshana Club, a group of 10 visually challenged people have formed a music group called Joyous Melody, trained to perform Shingari Melam, which is one of Kerala's popular percussion band. Irulatum Kala Samiti, with 14 members, performs folk songs. Now these groups have become so excellent in performance that different TV channels have invited them for TV programs. Wheelchair Orchestra is the musical band in which all performers are physically challenged people. All these troupes get many bookings for their programs. Chess Club organized an All Kerala blind chess tournament. 70 young, talented, visually impaired persons took part in the tournament. Sneha Sangamam is a spiritual and motivational program for the differently abled persons, which is conducted regularly. Father Solomon and the Darshana Club members take care of around 100 bedridden patients too. In the governing body of the Darshana Club, 60% of the members are differently abled persons. Father Solomon thinks that the church in Kerala can do much more for the differently abled people. Reservation of at least 1% in the institutions of the church is a just demand. Every parish is to be encouraged to take the census of differently abled persons in its area irrespective of religion. Father Solomon says, God has prepared me to understand the plight of the blind and disadvantages of other differently able people. So I want to do the maximum I can to make their lives happier and brighter by helping them to discover their God-given potential.